Yeah, the site is starting to die out. Yeah, I got pinged. No, I didn't.
Join?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Oh, it's Vision.
Vision?
Yeah. Probably he's on CD then. Guess he's on now Foundation side
Try
again.
on it. Yeah.
Why weird he keeps switching sides every time.
I mean, I just killed him, so.
Pretty sure we can put it on all clear right now at this point.
Who's driving a personnel carrier?
Hmm?
That's a great question.
Who's driving a personnel carrier?
No one. I'm driving a armored van.
106 in CDC.
What?
Are we sure?
That was a minute. That was like 7 minutes ago. 6 minutes ago.
Okay, you should be recontained then.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, look, you forgot
from-
that we'd recontained them.
Imagine if we would actually escape this. Low
Any
key,
more
it
STD
would take some
tests
while.
running up?
Oh, I didn't know Doctor was in game. Dude, fucking name. You keep getting in my shot. I'm going around. I'm going right.
507X409.
I
I just died in CZs. It's a
Oh.
semi or.
So I should drive back to CZ's? I assume so. I'll be driving back to CZ's then. A Class D killed you? Beast.
Yeah?
A Class D killed you?
Yeah, he's an LCZ. I was AFK looking at a rationale.
Alright. Oh, CZ, so.
Oh, what fucking word. MCZ's Tesla gate.
Alright.
They got an AK-12, non-affected. He just spun the corner.
Killed them.
Nice.
Yeah. But I died as well for somehow. Yeah, let me actually do something real quick.
Yo, person just fucking.
Interfering with C's. This name, come on.
Man, I'll help y'all in like 10 seconds. I need to just drink my soda. Alright, there's 3, killed 1. A lot of them are low. Killed 2.
Nice.
3. They're taking the there's like 2 more left maybe. They're taking parking lot. Killed 4. I'm getting clipped of all that. Are we serious? I didn't see that guy.
Oh, jeez, nobody said there was a blizzard.
How's CDC going?
Pretty good. We're chilling. CDs are actually riding though.
That's good.
Oh my god, somebody using tear gas? No way. That actually being used for one? I'm gonna go cafeteria and I'm gonna flank them if you guys haven't pushed them back by then. Just got shot at. That's crazy. We don't have to LD CDC, it's alright.
I was gonna say, you don't need to lock down. I'm stood outside of
Yeah,
it, it looks pretty fine to me.
I think the solitary is what he means. Like, lockdown to solitary, but even then I feel like that's kind of lame.
Can't lock down solitary, you can only lock down the whole of it.
I mean, like, lockdown CDC to solitary.
Yeah, we kind of lost CDC at this point.
Um,
Well, we pushed half of it, but yeah. Killed like 4 or 5 CDs so far. But they're getting back the control.
gang, 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 gang.
What is that supposed to mean?
No, I was just getting gangbanged.
No, what B said.
Oh, would not rate the sniper, fucking hell.
Yeah, they kind of, respectfully, they kind of suck unless you can hit it.
Oh damn.
At least I have my bandages now.
Did you go to CDC? Alva? Oh no, the Reutering gang is back.
I don't. Maybe. Where are they? In CDC.
Oh, they're all in CDC, they're all starting to riot a lot.
Can we get some
Quite a
RSD
lot.
into CDC, please? I need medics.
Where are they in CDC? Like fighting from? The
Go over there
the
from each side, take sides right now. Push to the gate.
Gang, if we close that gate too, that's
Yeah. You know what's confusing? We did everything today without locking down anything. I'm actually proud of it.
I still don't think we need to.
Yeah, exactly. I think lockdowns are
I don't think we need a lockdown.
Yeah, exactly. They're useless. Plus, that's not really stopping actors or free to free, so lockdown's having no point. Just locking down affected and can't do any shit, that's kinda boring. Don't give him a chance to fight back. I mean, if there's like 10 affected, I may understand the lockdown. Rather than that, not really.
Hey, back up, just back up, Nick. Nick,
I
you
feel like was killed enough to do it without lockdowns.
I just get my hands on an M24, it's actually bad in CDC.
like bad as in goated or bad as in shit?
I'm thinking surface exit.
Right.
Oh shit! Frags out in CDC.
I got the control. I got the control.
I just got hooped. Me and Crazy just got basketball hooped in a shot.
Okay, GG's. I died. Bro, the asphalt is so clean. Oh my god. I think I love this gun right now.
Dude, Mike is so funny. Are we serious?
My mic?
yeah. T14 Mike. Mitch, I mean. Yo, what the fuck is that?
Is that good enough to test right now, bro?
You say good enough to fit? Oh, bro. Where are the CDs fighting at? Are they like in cell blocks? Are they at the mines? Are they at the guard line?
Either taking surface exit out or the fence gate got closed.
That's fucking lame. Okay. Are they all there? Or
Yeah, I closed the gates down. Like, you guys should be able.
okay, we should just be fast with it.
Let's keep the gates
I don't
only
wanna-
like less than a minute. Let's not.
Yeah, I don't really want to
anything.
keep them too long. Alright, are there only 2 that are DFSC right now? Are we
Pretty
serious?
sure only 2.
Alright, okay. 3,
One
2,
is Speedy. His name is Speedy or something like that.
I got one.
I heard someone laughing about that.
Is he dead?
I'm not sure. Right. Open the gates. Alright, Vision is also DFC'd. Okay.
Mitch, you intentionally trying to aggravate an SCP.
Nice.
Real.
That's a clause you could be charged with. Like, I'm gonna throw you in the bin in a minute, bro.
Like, damn.
I'm gonna hand you a suspension notice, and then an exile notice.
Damn.
Wrong.
I'm gonna get IA to dox you.
Damn.
It could be a big, long chain of stuff.
Damn.
Dude, imagine
Let's
getting
just pick one
doxed by
as
IXIA,
enabled.
bro. That
Bro,
would be
why
so-
are you so strict with this guy, bro?
It's a joke.
And you not
I-
tell it's a joke.
Honestly, I didn't get the joke.
I'm telling. There's no way you took it seriously when I said I was gonna get an IA agent.
Honestly, I heard only the half. I just heard Blacklist or something like that.
That's
I'm
crazy.
honestly wondering when IA apps will open or some shit.
Motherfucker.
No,
Never,
bro, you
man.
want to join IA?
Yeah, I want to join
I'm not
IA.
getting into IA.
Okay.
Whoa!
Alright.
There's no way you
This
Okay.
guy-
Hostage
So not
notice,
the
you
cops
just-
Alright,
are
bro.
The solitary nerds.
Honestly, yeah, bro. If you want to join IA, it reminds me kinda, you know who? Of Foxy. He did the same
What
thing.
the hell? Wait.
He left MTF over IA.
That's so real. Where are they? Do we have the fence gate closed?
Okay, I don't
Alright,
think
yep,
we need it closed. It's kinda useless to have it closed because they keep just killing each other.
Did someone
Let
say
one run out.
Did someone say hostage situation or some shit?
No.
Okay.
No one said that. They're just class these
I
who
said
keep killing each other.
potential, and then you got put down. So
I'm gonna back up. The fence gate is not closed, and they're still right.
whoa, well, boss, you're flying
I'm
down
at
the
the
road, there, Chief.
cafeteria hallway. So.
After we get the next one, remove the defense gate. Oh fuck!
Where is the fence gate even?
Bro, I'm so cracked. No way. I'm so soft.
Oh shit.
MP are rolling in.
Appreciate it, Nick.
Wait, I don't know if Alright, no, surface exit is closed, it's fine.
Bro, how much bullets have the Scorpion?
I missed. Are we serious? I'm a bot, dude.
Alright, 2 DFSC CDs. No, 3, scratch that.
I don't have taser ammo.
What?
The biggest
I
bot.
ta-
Back off
I
and reload.
I tased him, beast.
Oh, boss, that
Okay.
actually sounded nasty. That sounded nasty.
Oh my god.
I just heard double guns lap over each other.
I'm with you, boss. I got him. I can't. Okay, that's good. I got one.
Alright, at this
Hello?
point, once you
Literally one
DFC,
shot.
once you DFC him, remove the defense gate. We are keeping him already there too long.
We haven't really closed the fence gate. It's open right now.
Oh, it's open?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just do that.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
He was actually risking his life at this point.
Hey, RSD. Cheers, Chief, if you can heal me. Cool down.
Did any of you enjoy 2024? Be honest.
Yes.
I mean,
said no?
it's some of stuff, but
Who
no.
said? Who said no? Who said no?
Get him?
Me.
Who's covered? Okay.
I said no.
Oh,
Some stuff yes, some stuff no. It really depends on what. Like in the beginning, no, but like in the end, yes.
Did you just disarm him, Beast? That's crazy.
I did not disarm him, I pulled him away.
I got you.
I don't need Lord coming at me again for.
I think we DFC'd everyone who we need. Let's go back to the guard line.
Yeah.
Did we get vision?
Yes,
I'm
we have
pretty
vision,
sure we did.
most of them.
You know what's funny? They said they weren't right here, and now they're here, honestly. But still, it's a good thing they're here. Good thing. Because when they ride, it's kind of fun. Even though I'm combative, I know I should not say that, but it's just fun. You don't need the shield for it, just push it.
oh my god.
You gotta stop pushing with shield. That's
They
what
need to buff the shield.
No, they not. You can just rush him with your assault rifle. It's better. Then he's
It
secondary.
doesn't block bullets like a shield does.
If
it
it
doesn't-
does, some
It-
of the bullets. But they can aim at his hand and pretty much get him easily, so.
The shields, the shields should be like the Area 14 shields. Like they don't even move when you are moving. So. Well,
Don't you think it's a bit too OP for Class D? And so
I mean-
not realistic, bro?
well, it's too OP for them in Area 14. So, and they don't have a problem with it, and they're still playing the game.
Yeah, Area
Yeah, I
14
rather-
is cracked.
yeah,
There's nothing
yeah, I
there.
would-
They have more OP affected.
Yeah,
Then
respectfully, I
I
don't want to be like that. I get it. I
Trust
think
me, you
they
do
should
not
be
want to
like
be Area 14, because, yeah, Ix is currently moving to Area 14 stuff, but you do not want to be Area
I don't
14.
even like Area 14. I just play it because I like to riot there.
I really like their gun system. It's so old, bro. And it's so bad, it has so many issues. The lower your
miss-
FPS, the higher chances to win.
I miss 2020 Area 14.
That was actually low-key kind of good. Inamar's Area 14 was tough.
Bro, Area 14 used to be good before the group got sold. After that, it's kind of shit. I mean, I should change some stuff, and Shell will
173
change some
just
stuff.
breached.
173 is breached?
173 breach.
Oh my
Do you have
man.
Threat Hunt or Red Hazard?
Called Threat Hunt, he's not outside of CZs yet.
Alright, long Threat. Oh, it's on Threat Hunt right now.
Okay.
I don't think we ever took it off after 106.
I told him to keep it on for 2 minutes just in case, but probably forgot to turn it off anyway.
Yeah, we'll probably forget, but it doesn't really matter.
How many people are on site right now? Let me check.
Less than what it used to be for sure, but
I think
it's 8.
maybe.
It's 18.
that's not that much. We still have 24, or even 26 at some point. That's small downfall.
What does Pression mean about N family, whatever?
I have no idea.
How did
alright, where's
173
173? I'm in CZ's.
I have no idea. I'm in MCZ and he's gone.
Did he teleport?
Norbs, here's advice from me. If Class D is pushing you, use your primary, don't use the shield. It's cracked.
Okay, I hate. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, Red Hazard. Red
Breach!
Hazard.
Alright,
Red
I'm putting
Hazard.
your res on.
Attention all personnel.
He's in CDC.
Protocol Red Hazard has
Need
been
one.
issued.
Need
Personnel
RSD
are
in
expected to
towers
report
using
to the
snipers
breach
to
shelter
look down at
They
173 so he
fucking
can't
shoot.
move.
Oh wait, get away! Come on. Doctor is also in CDC. Oh, this should mess up.